Hello, I'm Matthew and I'm a tasty producer. Today, I have 5 minutes to explain to my friend Joyce how to cook a complicated classic dish, chicken cordon bleu.
My name is Joyce and I'm certainly not a professional chef. At the end of this, I want to make a dish that my family and friends would be impressed by.
Once Joyce starts cooking, I can't touch anything, I can't talk, I can't help her. She's completely on her own, except for 2 exceptions. If she's feeling lost, doesn't know what to do, she has one opportunity to ask me for help. And on my end, if I see she's about to royally screw something up, I can use my one opportunity to save her butt. Here's your notebook.
Yes.
Are you ready?
I got this.
What we're gonna do is you're gonna take this chicken and you're gonna season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Then take a chicken breast and put it on the cutting board, cover it with parchment paper, and you're going to gently pound it.
So it's so fast, he's rambling. I don't know what he's saying.
The reason why you're doing cheese, ham, cheese is because then the cheese, when it melts, it's like glue. I twist the sides like you're making a Tootsie Roll.
You've got 3:45. Okay.
So many steps to it. There's like a way to like make a Tootsie Roll. Like, how am I going to make this dish?
This is wet, so the dry will stick to the wet chicken.
Yeah.
Then it's dry, which will stick to the eggs, and then the eggs will stick to the...
90 seconds.
I can only write so fast. I'm a millennial, like we type. I can type faster than I can write.
You're making a roux. You're gonna take the milk and you're gonna pour it in and whisk it. The liquid should come up to a simmer. Salt, pepper, Parmesan cheese, and the mustard. Stir that in, and then it should be cheesy, mustardy, delicious, and that will get poured over your chicken when you're done.
It's a lot.
When all this is over, I have to pretend whatever Joyce makes is my own. I have to bring it to the rest of the Tasty office to try. My own reputation is on the line.
Okay, take chicken. Oh, and I put all the seasoning. Then I put the parchment paper. So I'm supposed to season this in here. How would my grandma do this? She would just take the slab and rub it all around. Look at he's judging me, y'all.
These spices were perfectly measured out for her, but she's just taking tiny little bits and like sprinkling it on.
I don't know if this is seasoned all the way.
I want to help so much.
How bad am I doing?
Not, oh, like can't say she's not doing bad?
No.
Okay, oh, I can't say that? Okay. Sorry.
Let me smell it. Oh, that's seasoned.
It's not a big deal. I think it'll still be fine. The chicken will still taste good. She's all right. I'm not gonna use my lifeline yet.
All right, so what is Joyce gonna do next? Wash your hands, because sanitary reasons, I'll be right back. They finally gave me a blunt object to hit this meat with, and I'm gonna think about every ex I've ever had in my life. Boom, body, boom, 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 body, boom. Oh, she could be better. Oh my gosh, I'ma get that fatty part over there, because she's still looking plump. She don't care. This is looking good.
She put the parchment paper beneath the chicken and was pounding the raw chicken with the mallet itself. I mean, it'll kind of work, but it's not what it's supposed to be there for.
So back to my notes. Over here, cheese, home cheese. Usually I would wash my hands again, but that's a little aggressive. I like to wash my hands a lot because I went to nursing school. Is that enough ham? I'm a double ham on them. I'm rebelling, Dad. And then once again, the true love of my life, cheese. Now we gotta roll it. We gotta roll it like a roll up. Wait, I roll it with the plastic paper.
I can't talk. Well, I'm terrified that it's not gonna be rolled correctly, and then when she breads it, it's gonna like fall apart in her hands. It's gonna be a huge mess.
Do you want to use?
Not yet. I think that's the one thing I forgot about plastic wrap. It used to be my favorite thing in like high school, but it's just like me and all my clingy relationships, you know? It starts off cute, and then before you know it, you're a mumbled mess, trying to rip your life apart. All right, well, that doesn't work. That was a waste of my time. Let's try another method. No. This has been the hardest part so far.
So if this isn't tight, it's gonna be a mess. Like the cheese is gonna leak into the oil. It might start splattering.
So then I roll her very tight. Then we Tootsie Roll the tip, and then I'm gonna put her in the fridge.
Actually,
Are you using your?
I think I have to use my interjection. This could work, but I am afraid of it falling apart because it has to be very, very tight. So what I would do is after you have rolled it, what I would probably do is like kind of move this, and I would cut the piece of plastic wrap, right? And you want a lot. I'd rather have too much than not enough. And put it down flat, right? Good job. And then actually let's take a second piece and we'll put it right next to it and take this one side and fold it over. Tuck it as tight as possible and finish the roll. Yep, really, really tight. Yep. And you're gonna like roll it so it's like that, and then that's gonna get really tight like a Tootsie Roll. Take the ends and tie them together so it stays together. Yep. Then, I mean, I can't touch it, but it looks good. enough, and into the fridge so it can rest. That's my step. That's my one-time introduction.
Damn, Daniel! All right, I'm gonna go grab my children from the pool. Let's deep fry them. I gotta take her out of the wrapping paper. Now I'm gonna dip her in here. Then Matt told me you gotta dip her in here. And then we gotta bread her. Ooh, she can feel crunchy. Dip her back in here. And we're double breading. And then we're gonna deep fry her. Ta-da! All right, I'm a little nervous to fry, and I'm not gonna move, so I will be very stiff from here on out. I know that Matt has to show his coworkers this dish as if he made it. I have to be on my game. She looks good. I'm flipping it. I'm confident in myself. Because you don't want it burnt, You need that perfect color. So I got the oven at 350, and once this is my perfect color, then we're good to go and I'll bake it. All right, let's make the sauce. So first, butter. There we go. And then I'm gonna do like all tasty videos do, and I'm gonna spread it around. And then they like to do one where it slides. The garlic is supposed to get smelly, so that's the only part of my notes that I have left. I'm smelling the garlic, and that's the last information that I have retained.
Okay.
And I need the sauce to be perfect.
Okay.
So what the heck do I do?
You're lost now?
I'm taking my opportunity.
Okay. So once you're smelling the garlic and the butter's melted, we're gonna add in the flour, and then start to whisk it into the butter. Okay, looks good. And then you can add your milk.
Okay.
And once it's very thick, you can add in your Parmesan cheese, your Dijon mustard, and your seasoning, salt and pepper, so that it will be a beautiful, thick, creamy, mustardy, cheesy sauce.
All right, so this is thick, this is creamy, and damn, does it smell good. So the chicken is done, the sauce is beautiful and ready to pour. We got some broccoli and some mashed potatoes on the side. So I'm gonna pick her up. Ooh, she's not hot at all, perfect temperature. That's a little bit of a spiral. Look at that spiral. Oh, the crust came off, not good. Okay, it's okay. I'll just put it back on. It's like a weave, This is so cool. It's just like making something, creating something, like putting hard work into something that you eat makes you like yourself way more. Here's my beautiful child that I present to the world, and now I'm gonna cheese her. I am done.
Woo! Wow, I'm impressed. So we just tried the food. We're both really happy with it. But we're gonna go see what the rest of the Tasty office thinks by going to Tasty Leftovers, our chat room. And what should we say, Joyce?
Calling all of Tasty Office.
Oh God.
Please try the greatest cordon bleu
Oh no.
that you have ever seen in your whole entire life. Witness the flavor,
Oh no.
the sauce, and the parsley. It is my greatest work yet. And please let me know what you think.
Like, this could ruin my reputation if they don't like it.
I think the office will think that Matt made it because I have faith in myself and I have faith in Matt.
Here it is. Enjoy it.
This is fishy to me.
Why you be trustful?
I don't trust you.
You don't trust me? Whose hand is in the frame?
Joyce made this.
Okay. That's my girl. It's good. I'm so proud of you. Look at that.
It was amazing. I am so proud of myself. Like, it looked good, it tasted good. Going downstairs and watching people eat food that you made with your bare hands, it was like really humbling.
This is extremely impressive. So Joyce more than passed the test. I could not be more proud of her.